काश ऐसा होता कि पिज़्ज़ा खाने से जिम वर्कआउट हो जाता। काश ऐसा होता कि व्हाट्सएप के डिलीट हुए मैसेज वापस रिकवर हो पाते। काश ऐसा होता कि नेटफ्लिक्स की सब्सक्रिप्शन लाइफ टाइम फ्री में होती। काश ऐसा होता कि बोरिंग लेक्चर में स्किप ऐड बटन होता। ऐसा होता तो कितना अच्छा होता ना। हेलो, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, वेलकम टू काश ऐसा होता, वेयर एवरीवन गेट अ चांस टू शेयर देयर व्हाट इफ मोमेंट्स इन लाइफ, where dream comes into reality, brought to you by your host Gitanshu Narula. And today we have a very special guest. She is very talented and she is very popular nowadays on Instagram. No, she is not वो जैसा आप सोच रहे हो, but काश ऐसा होता जैसा आप सोच रहे हो वही होती. So please put your hands together for our chief guest, Miss Radhika. Please have a seat, ma'am. So, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. So, what's your reaction when you got an invitation of Kash Aisa Hota?
When I got the invitation, come to your show, Kash Aisa Hota, it really felt very nice that I got this wonderful opportunity to come here and have a talk with you. So, it was really very great.
Okay. So, my audience and you are ready for such an unpredictable fun?
Yes, we are very, very ready for the unpredictable fun.
Okay. So, I want to ask you, Kash Aisa Hota, if you were invisible for a day, then what things you get up?
Okay, so if I were invisible for a day, so it's really a very good opportunity and unpredictable to get this question. So if I were invisible for one day, so I would go to so many rich people and just steal their money and give it to some poor people, so that it will be beneficial for our economy and for the growth of our country. So I would do so.
Okay. So very nice thoughts. Even you get such an invisible power, you thought about our poor people. It was really a nice thought and I really appreciate. Okay, so Kash Aisa Hota, if you got a chance to go time travel and you have to choose only one, either to go past or future, then what would you choose?
If I got the chance to go in a time travel, so I would like to go in my past, because I do not want to know what is my future. If I talk about past, if I talk about my school days, so the school days was really very amazing days of my life. So I would like to go in my past and enjoy those school days again, so that it will be very fun again in my life.
That's really nice. I think school life is a golden period of everyone's life. Yeah, and everyone wants to go in a school life, and I also want to go, because it's a time where there is no tension. And I read somewhere like बस्ते का बोझ हल्का हुआ तो ज़िंदगी का बोझ आ गया हो गया, like this. So it's very good time. Okay, so Kash Aisa Hota, if you would be a cartoon character for a day, then what cartoon character you would be?
Kash Aisa Hota that I would be a cartoon character. So in childhood, that everybody of us watch cartoon, and so many cartoons are there in our cartoon industry, but I really like the cartoon of Doraemon. So I really would like to become Shizuka. The character of Shizuka in Doraemon is really very cute, so I would like to become that.
Okay, I just want to say you, why would you become a Shizuka? You are also so cute. And what cartoon character you would be? Please comment it on the video. And I also like the Doraemon cartoon, because Doraemon has a problem of every yeah. Okay, that's nice, and I also really like this cartoon. Okay, so Kash Aisa Hota, if you got a chance to invent any gadget, then what gadget it would be?
Gadget. So like, as we talked there about time travel, so I really would like to invent the time travel gadget and to have the fun of my school days again. So I would like to invent time travel. Yeah.
Okay. So if I'm talking about the future, why won't you go to your future?
I do want to go in my future through time travel. We can also go in past, and if I talk about gadgets, so I would also like to invent anywhere door. And that door is really very amazing. We can go anywhere with the help of the door. Like today we want to be here, and next day I want to be there, so we can go anywhere through the anywhere door. So I would like to invent anywhere door also.
Okay, and I also thought about the anywhere door. Yes,
Really very special. It is really very good gadget.
and there is no need and no required of any kind of planning when you have a anywhere door. Just put out the door and go. Just
Yeah, there is no need to plan, to pack anything, to pack the bags. You don't have to do anything. You must have the door, and you can go anywhere you want. Whether it's in India, outside India, it's a city, country, wherever you can go.
that's really very nice. And but so that's why. Okay, so काश ऐसा होता if you have an unlimited shopping budget, then what things you buy first?
Unlimited shopping budget. I think it's the dream of so many girls to have the unlimited shopping budget, because we girls are so obsessed with the shopping and all. So if I had unlimited budget, so I will buy unlimited things. I will buy so many gold bracelets, clothes, cars, bungalows, and so many things, because I have unlimited budget.
The first thing.
The first thing, it would be a diamond bracelet, because I really want to wear that bracelet. So firstly I would buy that, but then I will buy so many things because I have unlimited budget.
So if I am talking about my audience, then just answer this question in the comment section. And now it's time for the rapid fire question. So are you ready for rapid fire?
Yeah, I'm very excited for that session, for the rapid fire round.
Okay, so struggle life or happy life?
Obviously happy life.
Okay, so family or friends?
Obviously family.
Okay, living with family with less facilities or living alone with lot of facilities?
Living with family.
Junk food or healthy diet?
I would choose junk food, but healthy food is good, but I would choose junk food because I like that.
Okay, so government job or private job?
Private job.
Okay, that's very nice. And now our journey comes to an end here. A big thanks to our chief guest, Miss Radhika ma'am, and to my audience to connect with us. And we will come to an end. And until then, keep smiling, keep laughing और सोचना ना छोड़िए काश ऐसा होता तो क्या होता. Goodbye, जय हिंद.